Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I'm okay. For my video today, I'll be doing a review on a product that I recently bought. Today was my wash day. So right now my hair is basically dry. So what the product that I have to review, it's called Caviar Premium Hair Mask. Rejuvenating hair care rejuvenates lifeless, dull, or damaged hair. Um, this product I bought it here in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. I Why did I buy this product now? I randomly walked into a hair store and I saw the product. And well, initially I was walking around checking out all the different products that they had. So when I came across this one now, it's not that my hair is lifeless or dull, but it is damaged. I know for sure it is damaged. So what I'm seeing a lot of split ends so far and a little bit of breakage here and there. So just looking around in the hair store, I came across this one and I said that okay, I want to give it a try. I've never seen this product before, and this brand is called the Feel Different Feel. I've never seen it before. I've never seen this product before, so it's my first time using it here in the office, as a matter of fact. So I decided that I'm going to give it a try. So for today, I normally would use my shampoo, my Tresemme shampoo. I normally would do 3 rounds of shampoos. Then I would go to my Tresemme conditioner. Whenever I'm using a product like a hair like this hair kind of product, sometimes I would use half and half, like half amount of conditioner as well as a little of the hair product, and mix it together as my like conditioner substitute per se. So I did it a little different today. I just felt like doing it different today. So what I did was, after my 3 rounds of shampoo, I went straight ahead to this. Skip the conditioner. I never used any conditioner at all. I went straight to this, used some of it into my hair, and when I say instantaneous softness, I literally mean instantaneous softness. Because I have 4C hair, and for those of you who know what 4C hair is like, when a Jamaican tells you your head is tough, just know say your head tough. And that's the kind of hair I have. And when I say instantaneous softness, I literally mean instantaneous softness. And I combed it out. Normally what I do is cover my hair with the plastic cap or the steam cap. Then I would have a shower, and by the time I'm finished showering, I would just wash it out. So for this, the directions say apply to clean hair, clean wet hair, comb through, leave in for up to 7 minutes, then you rinse thoroughly. No heat is required. Do not use more than twice a week. Even though it says no heat is required, I covered mine with the plastic cap. The reason for covering it with the plastic cap wasn't for like steaming purposes, because you know normally when you're steaming your hair like at home, you cover it with a plastic cap and let some amount of heat will be generated. That really wasn't my intention for it to be steamed or anything. The reason for covering with the plastic cap was just because I was going to shower. I never necessarily wanted my hair to be wet up or anything, or the bathing soap to come in contact with my hair. So I just covered it with a plastic cap just for that. So after finished showering and all of that, I went straight ahead and washed it out, and it was very easy to comb out. My hair, the kind of hair that I have, is very thick and it tangles up quite easily, I would say. And this really softened my hair, like really softened my hair. So I would give this a definite thumbs up, like a real first impression. I would say yes for this product. um what I would do is continue watching the progress of my hair to see what happens if there's a decline or decrease in the breakage or split ends. So even though the product doesn't say it caters for split ends, the fact that my hair is damaged, I will continue watching it and see what the progress is like. So um so far I can say yes, I like it. I even though it says do not use more than twice a week, I'm not the kind of person that washes my hair twice a week or so. I normally wash my hair every other week or so. I don't really have a specific time frame that I wash my hair in. Whenever it feels dirty, I wash it. Or if I feel like washing, I wash it. So um I would give an update on my progress re this product as time goes by. My next wash day would probably be about 2 weeks from now. So by then I would maybe see some progress. Then I could give you guys an update or a follow-up review to my progress using this hair product and tell you how it has been, like my journey with this product has been. So that's basically it. So I'll keep you guys in the know and let you all be aware of my experience with that product. And my hair is basically dry now, and it still feels soft and nice. So, and it's a bit oily. Apparently I added too much oil to my hair, so but that's okay. So thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. Hope you all have a good day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment and like, and keep the family growing. Bye.